Adobe Firefly is a tool which is similar to any AI platform, but it is enhanced to have some silent features which Adobe adopt. Now for example, you can just see on the top, you can just see the home page, and remember to subscribe to this Adobe product, either Photoshop, InDesign, Adobe Express. This is one package, and similarly for the entire creative suite you have a package monthly or annually. Now the first thing is the text to image, which generates a high quality image using the text with the latest model. Okay, and the next is text to video, and another one is text to vector. Any text you can just type and you can just create a vector out of it, and you can translate, upload a video to translate into a new language, and you have text to sound effects, and you have lots and lots to explore. Okay, and here first let us see this is an image. I'm going to click on the image, and you want to create an image. So image, video and vector is the three options, and here you can just click on type of an image which you want. So the first is we are going to see an image, how we are going to create an image. So I'm going to type a bottle, made of glass, kept on a table with some books kept on it. Let us say like this, a very simple one, and I'm going to click on generate. Once you click on generate, it will generate 4 options made of glass. You can just see the first is like this, and second is like this, because you have not given any description about the bottle. You are given a description, a bottle kept on a table with some books. So this is an option. So now next is the composition of the both, and here you can just see the reference. If you want to add a reference image, you can add a reference image, or otherwise you can just select from this one. So this one is okay. Once this one is okay, select this, and the style what you want. Style I want like this one. So the composition of this one, and the concept is, I'm just going randomly, I'm doing it, just select. So you have the combination of the image of all this, and color and tone might be a golden color, and lighting, I want a golden hour. The camera angle, which angle you want, tone from below or landscape photography. Okay. Now once you give the composition of all this, you have to try one by one. I'm just showing you an idea of it, and click on generate. Once click on generate, you get the option with the similar things what we have given, and you can select which one you want and you can just download. So this is all about the image what I have showed you. Apart from creating an image, we can just have so many other stuff like image to video, translate video, other stuff. And now you are going to click on create a video, the text to videos. I'm going to click on this, and here I've created a lion walking through a village. Okay, so this is going to be the video. I'm just going to play it. You can just see a lion which is walking through a village. Okay, and now to this you can just on the left hand side, similar to the images, you can just see the seconds duration and the aspect ratio. Vertical, you want it as vertical, you can click on for vertical for shots. And next, the seconds, 5 seconds, you can, duration is 5 seconds, and there is no option of changing these two. And the resolution is 540 and 1080p. You get, the more the pixel, the resolution, the more the time it will take to generate. So style is there, you can just see the style, and you can just click on which style you want. You want to have a 3D style. Okay, 3D style you can just have, or you want a vector style. So you have a line art over here. Next, you have a zoom in and zoom out. Handheld is the camera handle. So click on camera handle. Okay. Now next, click on generate. So it's generating a video. Now the generation is over. Here the previous one, you can just see whatever we have done, everything is there. The previous one, when you click on it, you can just see the content. So whatever you do, whatever generation you do, everything is there in the history. You can just select at any part, and the second one you can just see here. You play on it, you can just see that's in the form of a line. Isn't it great? So the generation part is so clear, and you can select the sizes. Now the next part, when you see here, the options what they give, everything is not coming in the package. So when you click on this, you need to buy a package with the premium. So they'll give you a very limited offer to try this out, and you can just see the options. So these are some of the options which is available to me. I'm just showing it to you. So here is just like another one, Adobe Express. In Adobe Express you have the poster template, the Instagram, and all the template you have. Instagram stories, flyers, presentations, anything you can create quickly and easily without any problem, without using your brains. So only the thing is like, you need to just pick up the correct things logically. And here you have the things to manage for subscription. I subscribed for it, so you have the subscription here. So I subscribed just to show you what all things are there, how we can explore it. please use the credits as early as possible. The maximum credits you have to use because you're paying it, so you need to use all the credits. Please utilize the AI. So next you can just see the video templates. Here in the video templates you have the education type. You can edit it, you can add the video. So whatever things possible, you can do it here. Quite impressive. Impressing. Yes, doing a great job. And you can replace all these images. You can replace these images and personalize the template whichever way you. So the detail of it I'll just show you because it keeps on going. With a lot of things are there. So in between, what I'll do is I'll just put some videos. So keep watching my tutorials. Please subscribe to it and give a like to it. Please give a comment also, so that it will be encouraging for me to put more videos. I am subscribing and getting the things done for you to know exactly what it is. So please subscribe